and we're going to make some polka dots in the back. But we're going to make it like steady, but we're going to keep it like this. But we're going to put some right at the bottom too. And then put on there.
What's her name?
Elsa.
From what cartoon?
Frozen.
Is that your favorite?
Yeah. And let's put a polka dot here as well.
And you're making Play-Doh dresses?
Yeah. Let's go there. Okay. And I'll put a bigger polka dot.
All right, show her to me. Let's see what the final product looks like. Oh, she's gorgeous. And how old are you, Abby?
4. Let's put some more polka dots.
Okay, say bye-bye, YouTube.
Bye-bye, YouTube.
See you later, alligator.
Oh, but one more polka dot on the back.
Okay.